How to dropship from AliExpress to eBay. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. For today's tutorial, we will teach you how to dropship from AliExpress to eBay. Dropshipping is a popular business model that allows you to sell products online without having to keep inventory or handle shipping. AliExpress and eBay are two platforms commonly used for dropshipping, with AliExpress providing a wide range of products and eBay offering a large customer base. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. You'll learn how to find profitable products on AliExpress, list them on your eBay store, and handle the order fulfillment process seamlessly. AliExpress is a global online marketplace that offers a vast selection of products at a competitive prices. By sourcing products from AliExpress and listing them on your eBay store, you can leverage the popularity of eBay to reach a larger audience and generate sales. So, let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to do is, of course, open your AliExpress. Right now, I have currently opened it, and then go to the selling section of eBay. To go here, you're simply going to go to your eBay. This is what eBay would usually look like for you guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to log in, and then you're going to click on the sell button over here on the top right. By clicking this, you will be able to redirect to the selling section of eBay. Now, as you can see here, I already have one item here, so we're going to do the method that we're going to teach you today. Now, there is no direct way to connect AliExpress and eBay, so we're going to teach you a way to be able to use AliExpress and eBay together to start a dropshipping business. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do, like I said earlier, in AliExpress is to find a product that you would like to sell. Make sure that the product that you're going to sell is high in demand and people are wanting to buy it. So that's the first thing you're going to do. You're going to go to AliExpress and you're going to research and look for different products that you think people might buy a lot. As you can see here, but for us right now, we're going to go with a random product so that we will be able to proceed and show you how you could use AliExpress and eBay together. So for me, we're going to go with this watch over here. We're going to click this, and this watch currently costs 710 peso over here. So as you can see, there is a lot of people buying this product. There's over 5,000 products sold and 818 reviews for this product. The reviews for this product is very high. We have 4.3 over here. 68% is 5-star, which is a lot for a product. As you can see here, we have your different images over here, the different types of marketing images, and your different variants over here in this section over here. You could also see the sizes in this section and quantity and the shipping price from China to Philippines. As you can see here, the estimated time of delivery would take a lot of time because a lot of people are buying from AliExpress because of their very good prices. So it is understandable that it might take some delay because a lot of people are indeed buying here. But there's a very good buyer back guarantee over here where in under 75 days or within 75 days, the buyer can refund the product and have their money back over here. As you can see, how do we connect AliExpress to eBay without any direct connection to one another? There is no extension in Google, there's no extension in your browser that would allow that to happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to trick the system. To do this, what you're going to do is over here, right, on eBay, you're going to click on list an item. So basically, we're going to list an item to sell in eBay, and we're going to do this. As you can see here, you're going to tell us what you're selling. So what you're going to do after selecting a product is you're going to copy the title over here. We're going to copy the title that we have in this section. Just like this, put it over here. You could also modify this a bit. You can adjust and edit your title depending on what you would like your product to be represented or presented on eBay. As you can see here, after entering a title, it's going to try and search for similar products over here so that it will allow you or give you some help on drafting your listing. So right now there's no matches, so we're going to click on continue without match, or you could also enter some brand, some department type over here, customize, style, model, and features over here. But for now, we're going to go with continue without matches. And you're going to select the condition of your item. Of course, it's going to be new with tags. because this is a new product, there will be boxes over here as you can see here on their photo. So we're going to go with continue to listing. And now over here, we're going to enter more details about our product. As you can see here, we already have our title over here. And now we're going to go with our item specification. We could check out the brands over here. Let's see if our product over here has a brand. It is called Watch 8. So we're going to see if the product or the brand is available in this section. We're going to look for it. We're going to type Watch 8. And as you can see, there is no brand right now. So we're going to click on add. So we now have a brand for the specific watch that we have in AliExpress over here. So we're going to continue with eBay. Now for the department, it would be for men, or it depends on you. You can have unisex adult depending. And you have the type over here, which is a wristwatch. For the reference number, you could add it over here. You could have a customized reference number. For the style, we could say it's casual. For the model, we could go with Watch 8 once again, so that we could add this just like that. And now you could add a photo for your product. So what you're going to do once again is go back to AliExpress over here. And now what you're going to do is you're going to open and you're going to download every single image that you have over here right now. So we're going to go with this one. We're going to right click this, save image as, and we're going to download the specific image for us to use. To be able to download the images from AliExpress, we're going to install an extension. We're going to search AliExpress download photo extension, just like this, and we're going to wait for it, and we're going to click on this button over here, this link. You're going to look for the Google version so that we will be able to redirect to the Google Web Store, and we're going to click on add to browser. We're going to add this just like that, and we're going to wait for this to fully install into our browser, and just like that. And now we're going to go back to our AliExpress over here, and we're going to refresh this. And now over here, as you scroll down, you will see this option over here, download all images and videos, description image, and feedback images over here. We could click on download image and videos over here. So we're going to wait for it to finish downloading. Now we're going to download one photo for now. So we're going to go back to our eBay over here. And over here on our download, you can see that our different photos are being downloaded. So we're going to go with add from computer over here, and we're going to choose the downloaded photo that we have. Now I recommend that when you're downloading, you download every single photo, but for me, I'm going to settle with this one over here, just a single photo for now. And now we're going to move on. We could change our item description over here. We're going to copy our item description in this section. We're going to copy all of this just like that. You can also copy the different images over here if you would like. So we're going back to eBay, going to edit our item description and paste it over here. As you can see, we now have our description over here. For our pricing, we could go with 800 maybe, so that we have some earnings, like we will earn like 90 peso, or you could add it even more, maybe like 1,000 peso over here, just like that. And you can click on buy it now over here, like people can buy it and purchase it immediately at this price, just like that. And over here on the postage, we're also going to set this to 1,000 by the way. For the postage, we could ship our item or local pickup over here, depending on what you would like. You could set this to local pickup for now. And now as you can see here, listing preference, payments managed by eBay, handling time over here, stuff like that. Actually, I suggest that you ship your item over here. So we're going to do that. And after that, you're simply going to list with display fees over here. Now, what you're going to do when people actually buys from your eBay store is you're going to get their address information, and you're going to go to AliExpress and you're going to enter and buy it over here. You're actually going to pass the order to AliExpress. You're going to click on buy now on AliExpress, and you're going to enter the address of your customer from eBay, so that you're actually ordering once again to AliExpress, and when they deliver to your customer in eBay, you will be able to earn the money on eBay as well. And that's how you will be able to use eBay and AliExpress together to have a drop shipping business. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.